Hello everyone, it's Kelly, and today I have a Merida makeup tutorial for you. So, let's get started. So, I primed my face off camera, and now I'm just priming my eyes with some concealer and applying some to my blemishes, so obviously they don't show through the makeup. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm blending that out. And Infallible Foundation Pro Glow from L'Oreal Paris. This is my go-to foundation. I'm taking an orange lipstick from NYX and applying it to an eyebrow comb to match the color of my wig. If you have darker eyebrows, I suggest priming your eyebrows by applying white eyeliner to them and then doing this. But I can get away with this because I have very light hair and very light eyebrows. For my Ulta Beauty eyeshadow palette, first I'm applying a bright orange eyeshadow into my crease and outer corners. Again from Ulta Beauty, I'm taking this reddish brown color, and it's a more saturated version of the orange eyeshadow. So I'm blending that into the previous eyeshadow and focusing this on my lids. So again, with the same eyebrow comb and lipstick, I am now using it as a mascara to make my eyelashes orange. As I was editing this and still a Merida cosplay, I realized how important it was to powder my face with this CoverGirl pressing powder. So once I got back to filming, this is what I did right away. And then went back to the eyelashes, which I will get into next. So I really fucked up on doing my bottom lashes with the lipstick. So I'm taking a Neutrogena makeup wipe and carefully removing where I fucked up. So next I'm applying these orange eyelashes that I painted on myself. I didn't do a very good job at painting the eyelashes, but I really do like that they still give off the illusion that my eyes are bigger and they're Merida's hair color, which is all perfect if you're cosplaying a redhead. Then I'm taking the darkest shade in my blush palette from Ulta Beauty, and basically applying it to most of my face to give it a natural look. My cheeks, my chin, my nose bridge, etc. But that's really it. So for the freckles, I'm taking this cream contour palette I got on Amazon and taking a stipple sponge and lightly applying it to my face. For the freckles, I'm doing this very lightly so I don't make the freckles too heavy, because Merida does have freckles, but they're not that obvious. And again, to not make them too visible to the eye, I'm going back with my blush just to blend them in more, and blend them with my fingers because I forgot to do that. So I took a brown eyeshadow as contour and contoured the tip of my nose for a button-like effect. Next, I add highlight to my cheeks, my chin, and the tip of my nose. Then I take a smaller brush and highlight my inner corners. And the final step is using that orange lipstick you use for everything on your eyes and your eyebrows, and just applying it normally, which pleasantly surprised me because I wasn't expecting it to come out so natural and have that natural lip look, for lack of a better word. And that is how I do my Merida makeup from Brave. I hope this helped you out if you want to cosplay Merida. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.